Get Up Again brings you reflections to move your heart and songs to move your soul. You're not done.
Get up again, get up again.
Sometimes the spark of greatness ignites only after rejection, doubt, even despair. These stories aren't about perfect starts. They're about unstoppable spirit. Because when you choose not to quit, your next chapter might be the breakthrough. Success doesn't ask for perfect beginnings. It asks for relentless belief.
Jennifer Lopez, born in the Bronx, New York. Long before J.Lo became a global superstar, she faced serious conflict at home over her decision to pursue dancing instead of a traditional college path. After leaving her Bronx home, she was left with nowhere to stay and ended up sleeping on a sofa in her dance studio. Her hustle and drive got her noticed in the dance community, which led to a role as a fly girl on In Living Color, followed by acting opportunities and a groundbreaking lead role in Selena. That launched her into music stardom, fashion, film, and one of the most successful entertainment careers of all time. J.K. Rowling from Gloucestershire in England, Joanne Rowling faced profound personal and financial difficulties before publishing Harry Potter. After her mother's death, she moved to Portugal to teach English, married briefly, and had a daughter. Returning to the UK as a single mother, she lived on welfare and struggled with clinical depression. During this time, she began writing the first Harry Potter book in cafés while her daughter napped beside her. After multiple rejections from publishers, her story was finally picked up, and The Boy Wizard changed her life. Today, she's one of the world's most successful authors and an outspoken advocate for mental health. Lady Gaga, Italian-American, from New York. Born Stephanie Germanotta, Gaga was a theater nerd who faced intense bullying for being different. She enrolled at New York University's Tisch School of the Arts, but dropped out to pursue music full-time. At 19, she was signed to a label, only to be dropped after just 3 months. The rejection pushed her into depression and self-doubt, but she poured her feelings into songwriting. Her breakout came with Just Dance, and from there, she built a career defined not only by hits, but by emotional vulnerability, advocacy for mental health, and unrelenting creativity. I'm a lucky man, white-bearded Pierre Renoir told his friends. Now I can do nothing but paint. He was in a wheelchair, this shy little man, humming off-key, his fingers and joints twisted by rheumatism. Strapped to one hand was an artist's brush, with which he made painful strokes on the canvas in front of him. Yet, to look at his easel, no one would have guessed how much he suffered. He painted only beauty. He was already famous and could have rested on his past glories. But he forced his stony hands to create still more loveliness. Later, collectors and museums were to pay small fortunes for the fruits of his determination. He got things done because he wanted to do things. He could not tolerate doing nothing. But Renoir did not need the heavy time of illness to make him want to do something. He was a genius, and a large ingredient in genius is a wish to get things done that is stronger than one's natural inclination to laziness.
They faced rejection, ridicule, loss, even physical pain. But they pressed on, not because the path was easy, but because their purpose pulled them forward. You may not feel ready, and the world may not yet see your value. But that doesn't mean you're not already becoming. Keep going. The story you're living might just become the strength someone else needs tomorrow.